boy. We here in Dallas, Texas right now, and we have a major problem. So this is what's going on. The PSI on my rear drives is 15 PSI. Just got to my location and my tire has been leaking the whole time, so we're about to go outside and see what's going on. This is my tire right here. As you can see, it's flat, and we're looking at it. There we go. We got a piece of metal wedged right down in it. So gonna have to take this off and get it pumped up. Yeah, so we're gonna have to hook up our airline and see if we can get it pumped up and get to a location to get the tire fixed. So here we go, guys. So it's always good to be prepared, guys. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be using today. Tire inflator. I haven't used it since I bought it, so today is the day. We're gonna be hooking it up to here, and hopefully we get all of this done and we good to go. All right, guys, so we're gonna be pulling this. We're gonna be putting on our gloves and we're gonna be getting to work. So we're actually here to drop a load off. Nobody was here. Seems like they just arrived, and we're actually on the side street. So we're gonna move to the inside back there, and then I guess we can get the tires filled up from there. So let me move from here and then we can get it done. All right, guys, back into our location. It is going to be a little bit awkward to set this up because we had to back in at an angle, but we got to get this on to get the tires pumped up. So let's go at it. Alright, guys, seeing that the tire is flat as it is, we're actually going to wind the landing gear down so it takes pressure off of the back of the tractor, so this way it'll be easier to inflate. Now we're going back inside. We're going to push this in here. So as you can see, with me winding the landing gear down, it takes the pressure off the back of the tractor, and as you can see, even though it's soft, the pressure is not on it, so this will help us to inflate it faster. So we connected this, release the line, so we're good to go. Another thing that you would need, you're gonna need your tire pressure gauge. I seem to can't find the mines. I don't know where it is. I have not had to use that thing in so long. But what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna continuously fill it up, put the sensor back on it, go inside the truck, check, come back out just to make sure we had the right PSI. Alright guys, so we finished getting unloaded. Now I'm gonna be putting some more air in the tire. We're gonna wind the landing gear up and we're gonna be heading out. Alright, so we got it up. It's leaking really bad from right here. I don't know if you guys can hear it. So I'm gonna get some more here in the tire, wind the landing gear up, and we're gonna head out. So we're gonna be going down to the TA just south of Dallas, get the tire fixed, and then we should be out. The location we're picking up our next load is not too far from there, so when I get some more air in this tire, get us down there, get it repaired, and on to the next one. Alright guys, just got to the TA in Dallas, so checked in and we're just waiting to get the repair done on the tire, and then we'll be good to go. So see you guys in the next one.